This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelatinous chicken stock. First, gather your ingredients. For the best gelatin, use chicken feet, backs, and necks, as they are rich in collagen. Roasting these bones beforehand adds a rich, deep flavor and a beautiful golden color to your stock. Don't forget to include aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions for a balanced and savory base. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly exceptional stock. Once your ingredients are ready, place them in a large pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring it's about 1 to 2 inches above the solids. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to maintain a very low, consistent bubble. Skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first hour to ensure a clear and clean stock. Simmer for at least 4 to 6 hours for optimal flavor and gelatin extraction. After simmering, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all solids. For an even clearer result, you can line the sieve with cheesecloth. It's crucial to cool the stock rapidly to prevent bacterial growth. Place the pot in an ice bath or divide the stock into smaller, shallow containers. Once it reaches room temperature, refrigerate it for several hours until it's completely chilled and a gelatinous texture forms. Once chilled, a layer of solidified fat will form on top. This acts as a natural seal, preserving your stock. Scrape it off before using, or leave it for extra flavor. Store your gelatinous chicken stock in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months. It's perfect for soups, sauces, and gravies, adding incredible body and richness. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.